The following film is totally real. It is loosely based on totally real events, except for the
YouTube Poop Collab.
That part is totally the work of fiction.
Get out!
Water. Earth.
Fire corn!
Air.
We have found the queen! We have found the queen!
No! I'm the pardoned turkey! I'm gonna live! I'm the This is blowing my mind! We're going back in time to 2011 to get YouTube off the menu.
I win!
Who are you talking to? Hello, soldier.
Oh, hello, turkey! The flames of disaster!
Jake, what happened? You're only gone like a second. I've actually been gone for
30 minutes!
Have you heard about the
Shark Slayers! Are you not entertained?